All right, so if you remember what we talked about in class, we were talking about how to solve linear equations. We have 3 rules when it comes to solving linear equations. The first one is that we have to combine like terms. Now, if you remember from our conversation, like terms were anything that had the same variable and the same exponent. So 2x and 4x, they both have the same variable with the same exponent. It's also true for numbers like 10 and -5. They're both integers, right? They don't have a variable. So because neither of them have a variable, that means that they are also like terms. Step number 2, we want to get x, or our variable, on one side of the equation. We also want to get everything else on the other side. So for example, I'll want to have all of my x's, say it's 3x, and all of my numbers on the other side. Okay. Our third rule is that we do the opposite operation. To isolate the variable, or to isolate x, which means if we took this example up here, 3x equals 12, 3 times x, that's what 3x is read as. Since this is multiplied, I want to do the opposite operation, or division. So I'm going to divide by 3 to get rid of that 3. Since I divide by 3 on this side, I also have to do that to the other side. So I get x equals 4. Okay? The most important part is that you remember to divide if it's multiplied. Okay, so I'm going to give an example problem. Say you have, so you have 2x minus 5x minus 4 plus 3 equals 10. Oh my goodness. Okay, well there are 2 sets of like terms here. Set 1, I'm going to do in purple. Set 1 is 2x and -5x. Set 2 is -4